Welcome to the June 2013 issue of NDT.net. Zetec introduces the Topaz, the first fully integrated high-performance phased array Utah device with multi-touch screen. Leveraging its long history of devoted support to the nuclear non-destructive testing industry, Zetec has put together field-proven Utah hardware and software technologies and integrated them into a compact and rugged magnesium casing. Simplified balancing of composite flight control surfaces after repainting. Since recently, the paint thickness gauge FSC1 from Fitest, Technic GmbH is available. This instrument uses a microwave-based test method and can be used for paint thickness measurements also on CFRP, with and without metal mesh. Northstar Imaging has unveiled its latest versions of computed tomography and digital radiography software. These releases feature many new capabilities that are industry firsts and not available anywhere else in the marketplace. Movitherm introduces a portable NDT system for composite materials inspection. The new, easy-to-use system requires no specialized training and is controlled using a tablet PC and intuitive software interface. Release of new industrial laser microscope for 3D surface measurement LEXTLS 4100. The LEXTLS 4100 3D measuring laser microscope uses laser scanning to perform non-contact 3D measurement of complex surface features on electronic devices and other samples. Total banks on YXLO and YMU2000D X-ray inspection system. Successful NADCAP certification in Bestwig and operational startup of YMU2000 at Total in Nantong, the 400th system sold. Headquartered in Bestwig, Germany, Total is a leading manufacturer of sophisticated investment casting products made of titanium and aluminum alloys. The Canadian Institute for NDE, CINDE, and conference partners CanSmart and Fraunhofer IZFP are pleased to announce two keynote speakers for the NDT in Canada 2013 conference. Dinara Millington. Dinara is the Senior Research Director at Canadian Energy Research Institute, CERI. Maida Hakop, President of ASME, is an active member of ASME for more than 17 years. For more information, please visit the keynote speakers page on CINDE events. Call for papers and first announcement QIRT 2014. Since 1992, the Quantitative Infrared Thermography QIRT conference is a biannual international forum which brings together specialists from industry and academia who share an active interest in the latest developments of science, experimental practices and instrumentation related to IR thermography. ASTM International Committee E07 on Non-Destructive Testing has presented the Charles W. Briggs Award to D.R.ing. Klaus Bovendijk, Director of Development Imaging at YXLO and International GmbH in Hamburg, Germany, for his contributions to standards development. New ASTM non-destructive testing standard covers examination of mill and kiln girth gear teeth. ASTM E2905/E2905M, Practice for Examination of Mill and Kiln Girth Gear Teeth Electromagnetic Methods, was developed by Subcommittee E07.07 on Electromagnetic Method, part of ASTM International Committee E07 on Non-Destructive Testing. Magnetic Analysis Corporation, a leader in non-destructive testing, is celebrating 85 years of designing and supplying innovative inspection instruments and systems for metal manufacturers throughout the world. MAG's primary research and development, production, and corporate headquarters are located in Elmsford, New York, USA, with additional manufacturing and laboratory test facilities in Boardman, Ohio. GE unveils world-class inspection technologies customer solution center and inspection academy headquarters at Lewistown facility. Investing more than $10 million in Lewistown site expansion, GE's state-of-the-art facility addresses global demand for industrial and infrastructure inspection solutions. DECRA expands in South Africa. The international expert organization DECRA expands its industrial business considerably on the African continent. DECRA has signed a purchase agreement for the full acquisition of the Ray Sonics Group in Vanderbilt Park south of Johannesburg. Raysonics is a market leader for non-destructive testing in South Africa. DKRA bundles material testing business. DKRA is bundling its strengths in its German material testing business unit. The DKRA subsidiaries DKRA Material Testing GmbH, Duisburg, Inkost GmbH, Ingolstadt, and W. Hoffmann GmbH, Hellershausen, are merging into the new DKRA Inkost GmbH. A Plus RTD unveils revolutionary NDT technology. The RTDIWEX, inverse wave field extrapolation, is an emerging non-destructive testing (NDT) technique that allows detailed inspection and mapping of defects within critical pieces of pipework. Matrix Technologies GmbH, a leading global supplier of high-speed automated inline X-ray inspection systems for industrial applications, AXI, and NDT, announces the acquisition of Focal Spotting, San Diego, California. Phased array ultrasonic inspection of aluminothermic rail welds. RALECT was a collaboration between US MEs and research organizations with the objective to develop and produce a novel clamp-on ultrasonic testing device for the volumetric examination of aluminothermic rail welds. During the project, it was estimated that only 15 to 20 minutes were necessary for the full assessment of the weld. In this month's issue we are publishing 50 articles from NDE for Safety and Defektoskopie by 2012, the 42nd International Conference, which took place in October 2012 in Czech Republic.